So I'd just like to show how I do this at the farmer's market, and it works great on all the knives. So it's just set at 20 degrees normally. 20 is perfect for almost every knife, and you just go over it 5 times on each side. And just to save time, I just use 2 different ones, so 220 grit, and this is like 3,000. And 5 more times. And you could do like another 2 times just to even it out better. And that's it. It's as easy as that. You have a nice sharp edge that'll last quite a while. Thanks for watching.